Hey guys, today we're talking about bankruptcy and how you can actually qualify for a mortgage soon after you file for bankruptcy. Believe it or not, a lot of people think that once you file for bankruptcy, your dream of home ownership is actually dead. Well, that's actually a lie. I mean, you can still buy a home way sooner than they want you to believe. Banks aren't going to tell you this, but I'm going to break it down for you so that we understand and what we actually need to qualify for that mortgage. Now, how long do you really have to wait? The waiting period depends on what type of loan you actually get. FHA and VA loans, you got to wait about 2 years after Chapter 7. USDA loans, they need about 3 years after Chapter 7. Conventional loans, they make you wait about 4 years after filing Chapter 7. Now, if we're talking about Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you don't even got to wait that long. I mean, as long as you've been making on-time payments for 12 months and the court gives you the green light, you can get approved right now. Now, how to buy a home before the waiting period. All right. Now, let me give you guys some gems on how to buy a home because I don't want you guys waiting forever. So let's get right into it. There are some special circumstances where you can get approved before the waiting period is up. Now, those are life happenings, extenuating circumstances. If your bankruptcy happened because of a medical emergency, a job loss, or a spouse, some of this will let you try and get approved early. We have to go through manual underwriting. So if you've been back on your grind, got some savings, and you kept your credit clean, some of this will approve you the old school way by actually looking at your situation instead of just checking off a box. And then we have non-QM loans, which is non-qualified mortgage loans. If you got cash, some of this will work with you immediately after bankruptcy. But keep in mind, you have to put down 15 to 30% and have a stable income. And then we have seller financing. This is for the hustlers out there. If the banks aren't messing with you, you can go straight to the seller and make a deal without even needing a bank loan. What you need to actually apply, even if you qualify early, you still got to come correct when you apply, right? Here's what you need. We need a letter of explanation. This is where you tell your side of the story. What happened, why you filed, and how you can get back on your feet, right? Also, we need 12 plus months of on-time payments. Then just want to see that you're handling your business right now. That leads us to stable income and employment. You need to show your pay stubs, W-2s, or bank statements to prove you can actually afford the mortgage. And then then it's saving for a down payment. The more cash you got up front, the easier it is to get approved. So if you thought bankruptcy meant you were out the game, I just proved that that's not the case at all. You just got to know what right moves to actually make. So comment bankruptcy if you want my free checklist on how to get a home loan after bankruptcy. And send me a DM with the word home if you're ready to buy and need a plan to make it happen. I got you. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for tuning in.